What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm actually currently filming this at the 2-week mark in the middle of my first rotation. So I just got back and from clinicals. So you guys probably haven't seen me wear a white coat in a while, and thankfully I don't have to wear a tie every day. Even though I like wearing a tie, I actually can just wear like a button-up, which is really nice. But I just wanted to talk about something for anyone that is going to be, pursuing, PA, NP. First 2 weeks of clinicals are going really well. I really enjoy it. I'm in family medicine. I'm at a lifestyle senior center, so I'm actually working with a geriatric population. Pretty much everyone's over 70, 65. Pretty much focus on preventative care. We actually get to spend a lot of time with each patient. We get 30 minutes with each patient, and it's not rushed. They get to ask us any questions that they have about anything, and we work on continuing to control their chronic issues and help answer any questions they have about anything acute, if they do have anything acute. Generally, they don't, but mainly it is kind of addressing the chronic issues that they have, whether that be high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, things like that. It's our job to inform them and educate them about different steps that they can take to live a healthier lifestyle and obviously prolong their life. That's kind of how the first 2 weeks are going. Studying for my end of rotation exam, EOR, has been definitely stressful. I feel like I'm studying a lot during this rotation, and I've been making charts. The family medicine topic list has over 200 diseases and conditions, and so we have to pretty much know all of them for our end of rotation exam. So that's been a little bit stressful studying for that, just because there's so many topics. I do have 2 more weeks to study for it, so I'm gonna do my best to kind of hammer it out. I've been very busy just because you have clinic all day and then you come back home and you have to study every night. And I thought I was gonna be a little bit more free in terms of time, but I think later on, as I get used to rotations, and then some rotations I don't have an end of rotation exam, so those months will definitely be more chill. But these earlier ones where I have like family med, internal, surgery, emergency, things like that, I think it's gonna be a lot of stress, and good stress, studying for things that are clinically relevant, which is awesome. That's how clinical rotations are going for me. I'm really, honestly, every single day loving my patient experience and interacting with the patients. And I think that's a big reason why I chose to go into medicine, because I love patient interaction and to be able to provide treatment as well as, teach them a little bit about, their chronic issues or how to prevent things like that. Every day I come home, when I finish, I'm very thankful, I'm very blessed, and just very happy to be doing what I'm doing. So I'm trying to soak everything in. My preceptor is really awesome. He's a PA. He's originally from New York, but he's been in Vegas for quite some time, and he used to be a cardio PA, but he's in family med now. And he's just really funny and super knowledgeable. And so he knows the answer to any question that anyone asks. So it's really awesome. And that actually kind of brings me to the point of this video, or why I want to actually share this video. Something that I really want to stress to anyone going to PA school, NP school, you really got to be on the top of your game. And especially as kind of like an advanced practice provider, or what people would consider mid-level, you really have to know a lot. And yes, our training is a lot more accelerated and it's shorter, and physicians, obviously, they go through medical school, residency, and have that experience as well. But if you're a new grad, or have only been working for a little bit, you need to continually push yourself to be the best that you can be the best PA you can be, and be the best provider overall. When people say they want to go to PA school because it's easier, or NP school because it is easier, that's not necessarily the case, because you're still learning medicine, and the more you know, the better provider you'll be. And I think for me, I've learned that, there's so much things to learn, and you just have to continually put in the work. And it's not something where you just stop studying or stop learning. Pretty much, you got to be on top of your game, and especially with, there's some political issues. There are some physicians that are against PAs and against NPs practicing alone, and things like that. And I know I saw a Facebook group about that. There is kind of that stipulation, and so PAs and NPs really have to be on top of their game, really have to be super knowledgeable, super informed, and super educated on not only medicine, but just everything overall. And I think a lot of what the backlash against PAs and NPs, those are very anecdotal. And so a physician might post a story about a PA or NP that, that wasn't up to par, up to his standards or her standards. But, you know, that's just one PA or one NP out of the whole profession. I think it's our obligation and our duty to obviously be the best that we can be and represent our profession and be a good light in terms of how other providers or other people perceive us. So obviously if you stay educated and you stay informed and you stay on top of all the, you know, current medications, treatments, things like that, you're gonna be in a good spot. I just really challenge anyone pursuing the PA field, the NP field, you know, anyone pursuing medicine to really push yourself to be the best that you can be. It's all about lifelong learning, and any field that you do go into in medicine is gonna require lifelong learning. I really push you guys to, you know, study as much as you can and, you know, study the clinically relevant stuff, obviously, but just really do the best that you can, not only for yourself, not only for the profession, but for your patients. You know, you want to be able to answer all the questions that your patients have for you. And I think I've learned that, you know, by observing my preceptor and seeing how he interacts with patients, he's so knowledgeable and he is just amazing. He doesn't not have an answer for them. What I meant to say is he always has an answer for the patients and always has kind of like a solution or, you know, advice or recommendations. It's really eye-opening to me because, you know, you think you know a lot, but then you like are in a setting where you don't know a lot. It's not necessarily like a wake-up call, but just kind of enlightenment and feeling very motivated to study more, you know, for my patients and to be educated and to be one of the best PAs that I can be. And, you know, that doesn't mean just revolve your whole life around medicine. It's definitely going to require you to revolve a lot of your life around medicine, not just if you're becoming a physician, but even if you're becoming a PA or NP, a lot of your life is going to be medicine. And so you have to accept that and you have to be aware of that when you do choose to go into the medical field. You obviously have time to do other things as well, but I think you really have to make it a priority to be, you know, be the best provider that you can be. I've been feeling very thankful to be in medicine, and every day I go into clinic, I'm reminded why I chose the medical field. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gym and study for the rest of the night, but thank you guys for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to be like my blood type, be positive. I'll see you on the next one.